Hello everybody, I'm standing in a location where I can watch the aeroplanes flying above me 30 to 39,000 feet above the ground level, which is about 10-11 kilometers high. I'm using this R5 full frame camera with the 800 millimeters lens with added 2 times teleconverter, so together it gives me 1600 millimeters zoom lens. So that what you see now is an image straight from the camera, and I'm using only hands as a stabilization and lens stabilization. There's no tripod. I've done a lot of pictures and videos of aeroplanes flying 10 and 11 kilometers above me. That's how good details I can capture on those planes. And now you can see clearly the vapor effect behind the aeroplanes. So I leave it to you if you think it's a chemtrails or contrails. I'm not gonna be trying to prove anything here. I'm just using that video as a chance for you to observe from the close-up what normally you can't see on the sky. Enjoy the video.